Welcome, Art Agent Specialists. Your mission for September, should you wish to accept it, is as follows. Step 1. Cover your page with torn or cut paper fragments. Step 2. Cover with thin washes of 2 colours. Step 3. Add a focal image or 2. Step 4. Glue washi tape or tissue or paper strips. Step 5. Add splats, drips or dribbles. Step 6. Add handwritten journaling or phrase. Step 7. Doodle or scribble. Step 8. Create a border of your choice. Your colours for September are mustard, peacock and slate, and your words for inspiration are feather, leaf, time, home or quilt. Remember, this message will self-destruct in 3 seconds. Good luck.